Society now forces us to be good at everything. It's not always a bad idea, but it can create problems. Too many people compare themselves to others, and this can sometimes lead us to become ungrateful. There will always be someone prettier than you. Don't be insecure. You're more beautiful than you think. If you see someone who has better transportation, just be thankful you still can go to work or school safely. If you have a friend who has a bigger house, don't be jealous. You can work harder than you are now. There is a quote saying, "There is no substitute for hard work." When you compare yourself to others, you will always find something to compare. There is never an end. What if we change our mindset? How about thinking that I can be a greater person than I am now? I can be more successful than before. Let others' achievement become a motivation. By not comparing, we can have a happier life. We might not have an expensive bag, but we can have a more expensive soul. We might face a worse day than yesterday, tired of everything we do, but it's okay. That's normal. That's how life teaches us to become stronger, to face the world.